Hi, in this quick video, I'm gonna be walking through how to check my TikTok password in mobile. So you are using TikTok app in your mobile, and if you ever saved your TikTok passwords in your Google, here's how you can easily check your TikTok account password. And if you follow these same steps from your iPhone and Android, then you'll be able to check your account password. So first of all, go ahead and open a Google app in your phone. So I'm going to open in Gmail app. And now just tap on your profile photo at the top right and tap on Google account. And then you will directly jump into Google account page. Here, just search for security and just tap on that. Once you are in security settings page, scroll down all the way to the bottom. And here just tap on password manager. And in here, you'll find all of your saved passwords. Now you can scroll down to find out TikTok, or you can use the search password box to find TikTok. Now just tap on TikTok. If you saved your password in Google, then here you'll find tiktok.com. Just tap on TikTok. Now you have to verify your phone lock, and now here is my TikTok account username, and to see password, just tap on this eye icon to visible the password. So this is how you'll be able to easily check your TikTok account password from iPhone and Androids. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.